Adjusting layer properties. The display section, located in the right side panel of visual controls, provides options for customizing the visual representation of elements within your design. System layers. The systems layer is the default main layer that associates and enables control over how objects such as control blocks, texts, and devices wiring appear on your design page. There's two types of layers available: local and global layers. Local layers are specific to their design, while global layers can be used across all designs. This is important to keep in mind when creating custom layers for your project. Products category layer. When a product is added to the design sheet, Visual Controls automatically creates a product categories layer. This specialized products layer organizes and displays devices according to their type. This feature enhances visual organization and improves workflow efficiency. This layer gives you the option to modify the color scheme of specific device types. Select the corresponding layer and choose your preferred color from the palette. This action will update all devices of that type simultaneously. It's important to note, color modifications made to the product categories layer are isolated from the viewing properties when the product categories view is active. These changes will not affect the visual representation of devices within the control systems layer. Thus, clicking back at systems layer will show devices with their default color. Selecting the first icon changes the layer state from editable, locked, to hidden, depending on your need for that layer. Additional layer options exist by different categories such as viewing by wireless or wired devices, room types, as well as sequence of operations, which are all part of Visual Controls layer automation. These layer properties can be displayed as part of the printout of your design. From the Project tab, select your print page. Go ahead and select your design image to access its properties. Clicked on Display, you will see an option to sync layers to design. If you have this checked, all your layers in the print page will be the same as your design page for that specific sheet. Thus, if you make a change on the layer, it will carry over to the print page. If you choose to have a print page different from the design, uncheck the option and make necessary changes that will only affect the prints. Head back to the design's properties. Find the Display drop-down menu. Here, you have the option to select how the final print would look based on all the available layers in your design. Select the one that meets your requirements. That's all for this video. Make sure to check out all our Visual Controls tutorial videos available. Thank you for watching.